Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live here every morning for the opening and closing bell. What a morning we are in for. Look at this. In the after hours, pre-hours, whatever you want to call it, we had a major crash here on Virgin Galactic. Went down 12%. 12%, and then all of a sudden it popped back right up again. I'd love someone to explain that to me. I've not seen anything like that before. That's a new one on me. So if you've just tuned in and you are new here to the Day Trader and you'd like to be part of the show, come on in and tell me what you think that was all about, because that's quite a dramatic moment this morning that we've just witnessed. Hi, Moo, how are you? Let me bring him in. Let me get straight into the live chat. Here we go. So what was all this about? Good morning, Moose. How are you? Let's bring him in, and let's bring in Mike as well. Anybody got any information what happened here? This was before the market. I tried to buy that dip. 12% it went down. Unfortunately, I'm not able to get in on Robinhood that time in the morning. So let's have a look. We've got some information now coming in from Moose and Ella. Thank you ever so much, Moose. Virgin Galactic to raise 425 million in convertible senior notes offering. Could you offer me more information what that actually means in real terms? What does it actually mean for the stock, and what does it actually, and why did the stock drop so dramatically as well? What was all that about? So let's get straight over to SPCE right now. As you can see, it says it's down 10%, 11, 12. It's popped back up again. If you could give me more information, Moose, I'd love to know exactly what you think. Are we buffering again, are we? Are we buffering again? Freezing. Are we all good now? No, we're buffering again, aren't we? Technical issues again, plagued at the moment. We do have some technical issues again. We're trying to fix these issues. We've been plagued now for days with technical issues. I think we are. Yeah, we seem to have issues again, jumping like mad. We've got all kinds of problems again. Trying to fix our problems for you this morning. We apologise for all of this. Are we back again now? How are we feeling now? Are we up to, is everything working okay now? Okay, what's everybody feel like now? Are we working now? Let's have a sip of coffee. Disaster this is. Got a few technical glitches here on this morning. You guys on TikTok are fine because you're just seeing it through my phone. But my friends on YouTube, as we're streaming from the studio, we're having some issues. Seems to be back now. Good. Everyone's saying it seems to be back now, does it? Okay. You need to refresh your screens, guys, to bring you up to date. I know that'll play an ad for you, but you need to refresh your screens to bring yourself up to date. Anyway, I think we're okay now. We're 4 minutes before the bell goes. So refresh the screen and drag your timeline forward. Okay, it's important to do both. All right. We're trying to reset now. Okay, let's try that. Let's see if we're okay now. All right. Apologize for all this stress. I thought we'd got behind it yesterday, but no, we're back here again. So never mind. All right. Okay, let's get straight into Virgin Galactic right now. We've got just 2 minutes to go before the bell goes. And as you can see, we've had dramatic swings here. So let me have a look. I also put like on the video. Thank you, Alicia and Paddy. Thank you so much indeed. We've got Mark Korn here. We've got Dave Mottram. Good morning, everyone. Can you try to broadcast in 720? It's got nothing to do with that. It's got nothing to do with that, Moose. Nothing at all. I can lower my broadcast, but that isn't the issue at all. It's outside issues that are plaguing me at the moment. It's got nothing to do with the studio. Everything has been checked 100 times, and look. I mean, look at my. What we're getting is jitter. If you know about streaming, we're getting jitter on the line, and that's the issue. It's not actually my broadcast, it's the jittering that we're getting. Yeah, we're all good here. Right. Anyway, thank you ever so much, everyone. Guessing you guys had issues with buffering again. Yes. Yeah, it's frustrating. Right, we are a minute away now before the bell goes. So let's get the clock up. Here we go. Okay. Just 30 seconds to go. Look at what happened at Virgin Galactic. So what's going to happen here on the bell? Interesting one. It's good. We're all good again now, yeah? Everything's good. Right, we need to get Moose and Ella. We need to understand what happened with Virgin Galactic here this morning. Right, there we go. We're off and running. Okay, here we go. We're off and running this morning. What does everybody feel? Do you prefer the white screen or did you prefer the dark mode? I want everyone to tell me, do you prefer the dark mode or do you prefer the white screen? Just a change today. I wanted to see what you felt about it. I wanted everyone's opinions. Do you prefer the dark mode or the light mode? It's right. All seems okay. Yeah, can I get everyone's opinion, please? Do you prefer the dark mode or the light mode? The dark. Okay, let's get the votes in. I'm going to do a little vote here. I want to see what everybody thinks. Light or dark? We've changed to light this morning, and I want to see what everybody feels about it. So let's do a vote, do a poll. Light or... Oh, man. We can try that again. Okay, here we go. Light or dark. So I'm going to give you light as one option, and I'm going to give you dark as the other option. Okay, let's see what everybody says to that. Right, the overall portfolio is up on the hour. Huge swing today, and we'll change it as soon as I get the votes in. If you don't like it, I wanted to see what everybody thought of light or dark. What do we think about this? It's an urgent discussion. Virgin Galactic is down on the pre-market 10%. Look at this, guys. What do we think about this? I'm going to sell some Bitcoin and take that out as we're at the top again. Done. Right, I've just taken some. I've just trimmed some money off the top from Virgin. So convertible bond is a fixed income corporate debt security that yields interest payments, but can be converted into predetermined number of common stock or equity shares. Conversion from the bond. But tell me, is this good? I'm unclear on that. Should we buy this dip? I mean, 10% drop. What does it actually mean for us as investors in Virgin Galactic? Martin said it plans to offer 425 million convertible bonds due to 2010 in a private offering. Send shares of the space tourism company about 10% lower in pre-market trading. The company needs some cash. You don't have an option for pink or green. No, very funny. More debt. I'm sitting fast with a small position until spring. I'm waiting to get. waiting to decide what to do here. Muzanella, should we get this dip this morning? I'm waiting to know. I'm trying to buy it now, and I need to know. I'm really confused of what this actually means. I want to know. Vapor's Guide has COVID-19. No way. Looking at this now, I'm not getting any information, so I'm going to go on my gut feeling that this is an investment opportunity. I don't know. I would have liked some information there. I didn't get it, so I decided to go for it. I don't know. That is me not understanding, but I've decided to do it. Right. I've done it. Okay. Well, I've been behind it all the time, so I've done it. I've made my commitment to that. Let's see what happens. So, let's get the vote. 100%, 10 votes, 100% says dark. You all prefer dark. Okay. 100% prefer dark. 10 votes, end poll. Okay. Okay, we're going to convert back to dark. I wanted to get everyone's opinion on it. And thank you very much. We're going back to dark. Everybody prefer that? Is that better? Okay, we're just bringing everything back in again. Hopefully you prefer that. Right. Quick cup of coffee. That's better, not as sore on eyes. Okay. I wanted to see what everybody thought about that. Everyone prefers that, right? Okay. Right, we're watching it now. So we're down 9.3. What's going to happen now this morning? This is going to be very, very interesting this morning because I'd love more information on it. But you know what I feel about Richard Branson, what I feel about Virgin Galactic. So I took a chance on it. I hope I'm right. I hope I did the right thing. Muzana says it could go down lower. Well, we'll find out soon. Let's see if I'm right. Virgin Galactic has popped right down now. Let's see. We're watching it very, very closely. I've just we've had a 10% drop. It was down 12. I want to bring in Vapor's Guide. Vapor's Guide has got COVID-19 this morning. Let's all send some love to take care, Vapors. Absolutely. Thank you, guys. It's quite sad that Vapor's Guide has got COVID this morning. I hope he's not too serious. We certainly hope he recovers very, very soon. I'm sorry I wasn't paying more attention. I was trying to reset all the screens and a few issues again this morning. I always hate to miss stuff like that. Get well soon and get back on your feet. Martin Redding is here this morning. At the opening, it might go lower. I could be wrong, but wanting to buy it. Get well soon. Oh, look at that. Everyone's sending some love. Vapors, how are you? I know you've got COVID, which is obviously awful, but how are you this morning? How are you actually feeling? Is it serious? Are you not having any symptoms? What are you experiencing? Right, we're down 1.57. I've just made a major investment in Virgin Galactic. The Vapor's Guide sending, yes, prayers to Vapor's Guide, indeed. Tesla is up 0.62. Rivian is down 0.09. SPCE is now down 10% this morning. Obviously, I'm going to trade those if I can. That's obvious. To try and get money back out of it again. Gores Guggenheim is up 1% this morning. It feels rough, but at home. I'm terribly sorry, mate. Yeah, let's send love. Get well soon, Vapors. There we go. Let's blow up the chat for Vapor's Guide. There he is. Robinhood is up, but just dropping back. Oh, man. Good morning, all. Queen of Self-Braiding. 46. We're down 1% this morning. And what do you feel about this, Muzanella? This situation with Virgin Galactic. It came out of nowhere that they needed to raise money. Not surprising right now, but that's really, really, really tanked my shares, like big time. What is the situation there right now? I mean, is this good or bad? I did not expect to see that. Gores Guggenheim is up 1%. Lucid is down. It's going to be very interesting in 15 minutes from now. Okay, let's bring up the clock. In 30 seconds, we're going to be 15 minutes to go before everyone wakes up to Virgin Galactic. Let's see what happens. Dark mode is better. Dark mode plans to offer... Bushus Mambio, thank you ever so much. Khalid, what's up with the music? We can't hear you. You can't hear me? You should be able to hear me. Everything's fine. You can't hear me? I'm sure you can. Let me have a look. Yeah, that's coming through fine. Yeah, I was just checking that. There's no issue with that at all. Let's bring in get well soon. There we go. Get well soon, Vapors. Indeed, indeed. It's your show. Oh, guys, I can't tell you how frustrated I am that things are not working properly at the moment. It's bloody driving me mad. I don't know what it is. But I don't know what to say right now. Tesla is up 0.61. Rivian is down 0.07. This morning, I am all in now with Virgin Galactic. Big time, everybody. I mean, it's probably at 50% of my portfolio now. Obviously, I'll be trimming off if it pops up this morning. Obviously, this could be a profit-taking situation. I've just got 170 shares at 11.25. So let's put that down. That'll be an immediate trade if I can. So SPCE 170. So SPCE. It's okay, Mark. We live in the 21st century. It is normal the cash flow to survive until they start making money. It is normal cash flow to survive until they making money they need. Okay. So do we? I mean, obviously, I'm going to trade those 170 at 170 at 11.25. 11.25. Okay. Wow. So I'm all in now with Virgin Galactic. I've got to get some money out of that today. What are we going to do? Virgin offering 425 million in bonds convertible. I can hear you. Yeah, it's someone on TikTok said they couldn't hear me. I don't know. Sometimes people play around with me on TikTok. I don't know, but I think we're all good. Anyway, we all seem to be streaming fine again now. Doesn't seem to be any issues. I'm ready. I'm getting ready to buy some. Yeah, I mean, can you believe it? People paid $70 a couple of months ago for this. So there we go. Robinhood is now up 0.92. We're just 12 minutes to go. This is going to be one of the biggest days of my portfolio, I'm sure. So let's get a poll. What do we think? Will Virgin pop today? Will Virgin pop up? Let's get a vote on that. I'd like to know what everyone thinks about that. Will Virgin pop up today? Ask the community. All right, okay. Oil has turned a nice steady climb over the last 2 weeks. Now over $80 a barrel, heading towards $100 a barrel. There you go. Oil is on the way up again. If you are an oil investor, what do you think of that? Let's bring that on the screen. Thanks, Martin, for breaking that to us. Thank you very much indeed. Let's go back to the main screen. The overall portfolio is down today 1.67. Wow, this is going to be a big day, isn't it? I've got way too much invested now. I know it's completely wrong to have that amount in a portfolio, but I strongly believe, I've got conviction in what Virgin Galactic is doing. Am I right? Am I wrong? We'll find out now. SPC 50/50 have not got a clue. Well, we'll find out in a minute. Here we are on the live position right now. Starting to see it climb up again. Has everybody noticed? Has everybody noticed something? Have you noticed something, folks? Can you all see something on the back? Look at my fancy lights on the wall. What do you think of that? Does everybody like that? I've now got a new scene in my lights. I can put a backdrop on the wall with lights. Do you like that? Is it good? What does everybody think of that? That's something new for you. So we're going to get a bounce, or what? What I mean, or is it going to go dramatically lower? At least you dollar average your cost. You're not right there. You're not right there. You're not wrong there. No question about it. Big time. But we'll see in a minute what happens. Am I right? Am I wrong? It's a big day for me on Virgin Galactic, I would say. If we're just testing the member and the super chat. There we go. That's all working again. All right. Here we go. We've got just 8 minutes to go. Well, I've never been so tense. I'll tell you that. I've never been so tense as I am right now. I'm calm and happy, but I'm like, this is serious for me. We're about to find out what's going to happen. Right, on the live position, we're up on the hour. We're rising up again. So let's see. Tesla is up 0.66. We're looking at Rivian 83.92. 10 shares 83.92. So I've got some money in Rivian as well. SPCE, what's it going to do? I've just purchased 170 at 11.25. It's dropped a tiny bit more, but not much. I guess this is where you decide, this is where you separate the men from the boys, right? Do you believe in a stock? Are you all in on a stock? Do you believe in it? I do. I know Richard Branson. I know his conviction for space. I know his conviction for space, flight and exploration. He wants everybody to experience this. He's got plenty of money. He can fund it himself if he wanted to. Is it going to hold up? Rolls-Royce is up 1.75. That's a good lift off this morning. Boeing is up 2.4 this morning. Apple is up 0.13. Ethereum is up 1.42. Oh, Bitcoin is going 44. I just trimmed some off the top. Nothing wrong with that. I trimmed some off the top and I put it into SPCE. Okay. Oh God. This does feel a bit crazy. I've got to be honest. Right, what are we getting now? Votes. 9 votes, 50-50. Yeah, if you look at my dollar cost averaging, it's, yeah, my average now is $14. Used to be 35. It's literally, it's halved. Anyway, of course, I'll be trimming off the top as I go up. I'd have to do that. Otherwise, in minutes, my portfolio could be like 60% Virgin Galactic, and that would not be a good thing to do. Over there on TikTok, thank you very much for being here. Lovely to see you. Thanks to all my followers. We've got 10,300 followers now on TikTok. Absolutely incredible. Thanks to all of you. $50-50 on the vote this morning. So we've got several trades. We've got SPCE, we've got Hood 1733. A trade set up. We've got Rivian 83.92. Hopefully SHIB pops Monday if Robin actually makes it live. Yes, Mark Korn, thank you for that. 6 more minutes. Well, to 5 minutes now. Here we go. It's going to be a very, very, very interesting day. Yep. Very long 5 minutes. You ain't kidding. This is a big, big decision this morning. Literally, my portfolio could be in real trouble now. I still believe in it. I'm all in. The good news is it hasn't been falling. Yep, we've got some buying coming in now. If we look at the charts. Look, we do have some buying coming in now on SPCE. Very small candles, but nevertheless, we've got a bit coming in. That was probably me, guys. You know, I'm that big a trader. I influence the market. At least you own the stock, not the options. Yes, indeed. Yeah, I know, Moose. I know. Starting to fall a little bit. Where's it going to go? Right. We more than ever this morning need to pay the bills. We're going to run a quick ad. You can skip it. You've got 3 minutes. If you want to watch it and donate a cent to the channel, appreciate it. We'll be right back in 1 minute, 10 seconds from now. Here we go. All right, there we go. We're back in again now. What is going to happen right now? 11.06. It's falling a bit. I bought it at 11.25. Yep, 170. 11.25. 4 candles or 4 candles? I want to buy 4 candles. What, 4 candles or 4 candles? I know what Mark Corn's doing there. Only the English in the house will have a clue what I'm doing right now. All right, here we go. We're up 0.41 on the hour. That's because everything else is doing all right. But everything now is resting. Here we go. Just 2 minutes to go. Tesla is up. Rivian is up. For me, anyway. I've got... oh, I got a super chat. I got a donation to the channel. Mark Corn. Mark Corn's going, there you go, mate. I'll give you 79 cents. Thanks, mate. 79 pence, which is $1. There we go. Hey. Thank you very much indeed. Appreciate that very much. What can I say? What can I say? Thank you, Mark Corn, for that. Right, Rivian is lifting up. Look at that. Mark Corn, thank you so much. You're welcome. Yeah, I'm going to need it. Oh, breathe, relax, breathe, relax. Okay, oh, look, Virgin going the wrong way. Donations right now accepted for the Virgin Galactic Fund. Bloody hell. We're big time now. All right, minute to go. It's getting tense. Live on the show. What's going to happen? Is it time to buy in? Are we going to get a bounce? We're about to find out. Here we go. I'm in position. I'm tense. I'm moving around in my seat. What is about to happen? Can you feel the tension? Okay. We're a few seconds out. The bell is gone. We'll clear the clock. We'll clear the clock and we're watching. Where's it going to go? Virgin Galactic, is it going to pop? What's going to happen? Ouch, Virgin. Yep. Big time. Portfolio's falling. Rivian is firing off. Virgin Galactic, where's it going to go? We are watching that one right now because this is massive. If you've just tuned it in, subscribe and like the video. We need the likes, we need the subscribers this morning because we've got everything all in Virgin Galactic now. This is not recommended. This is not what you should do. I am going to sell. If I make a pop, I'm telling you, it will not just stay there. 170 shares. I will take some out of that and trim that back. Right. Are we watching? What news came out about space? The best person to explain that is Muzanella. Muzanella, for the benefit of Caden Youngquist, can you explain what happened? You can explain it better than I can. You are the expert on that part of it. If you wouldn't mind putting your comment back in, what you wrote earlier. Basically, Virgin Galactic have raised some money, and it broke just an hour or so ago. And the stocks went down 12%. And we're already on the floor. So, let's see what happens. I almost bought space yesterday. Yeah, tell me about it. Okay, we're watching very, very closely. I'm down now, 45. The overall portfolio, let's have a look at it. Yeah, 93 down. It's not the worst it's been. Down. Watching very closely. Tesla is moving down. Rivian is moving down. Everything is moving down at the moment. That's normal. That's normal. GGPI is just shifting down a bit. Lucid is down 1%. Hood, everything's dropping right now. Everything's dropping right now. Okay, is there anything going up this morning? On is doing well, 2%. Rolls-Royce is doing well. Boeing is doing well, doing very, very well, actually. Apple is up as well, shooting up. Ethereum is shooting up, 1.73. Bitcoin is up, 1.6. We are really lifting off with Bitcoin the last couple of days. 1.2 on the hour. Virgin Galactic still falling. This is hard to watch now. I just took money out of Bitcoin to buy that dip. Look at that. Down 13.5%. Oh my God. Hope Bitcoin goes high. I can't buy any more dips. No matter how low this goes. I'm not buying any more dips anymore. That's it. I'm fully invested. If I put any more in, it would be portfolio suicide. It would be everything all on one. And that's not how I run my portfolio. It's already getting like that. So I've got to take a profit today. Hang in there, Martin. I will. I believe in it. I believe in Virgin Galactic. I do. But nobody else does. That's basically what's happening. Nobody else believes in it right now. So if that pops up, I will take profits. I will protect it. I won't just sit on that, and because that would literally be all or nothing then. And I'm not playing that game. I mean, it's okay that everything's tanking right now, because everything is. That's just part of the day, right? Down 1%. This is normal. Because all the stocks are doing that. That's just the markets. That's okay. I can live with that. I am watching BBIG to explode and sell. Let's bring that into the chat. The Queen of Sell Braiding. Thank you very much indeed for sharing that with us. Hang in there, Martin, Mike says. Yeah. You haven't really got much choice, really. I mean, yeah, I'm not going to sell out. I mean, if I sold out now, I mean, that would be just unbelievably stupid. because it can't get much lower. It's zero. It's all over. It can't get much lower. I was in BBIG back in the days when it hit 15. There we go. Muzanella, what are you doing? Is anyone buying in SPC this morning? Is anyone buying these dips? I mean, when I say it can't go lower, of course it can. It can go to $1. But Rivian is down 4%. Rivian, I had a sale at 83.92. Yeah, I nearly sold that this morning before that popped down. And then I would have walked back in again at this point. I'm with you. I have quite a few shares with them too. Is that BBIG or SPCE? Right. Lucid is just picking back up again. What's my buying power now? There's nothing in my buying power right now. 127. Bloody hell. Moo said it might go lower. Let's have a look at the news. Is there any breaking news here? Let me go back. Let's try to find out what the... My average was 13.20 a share. Ha ha, Virgin, yeah. Right, there we go. Look at the chart on Virgin right now. I'll bring it into you. I'll show you. Rivian is now still falling. Right, have we hit a bottom with Virgin? Look, this is the candles. Look at that. Huge sell-off. Yeah. Huge sell-off. We're looking at it now. Virgin Galactic news. We're trying to find something. Still falling. Okay, the overall portfolio now is down 600. We're watching. Tesla is down. Big sell-offs this morning coming from everywhere. Rivian is down. SPCE is now nearly 10. Do you ever try short positions? No. I don't believe in that. It's not for me. Lucid is now starting to lift up. Robinhood is starting to lift up. PayPal is soaring today, up 1.49. 1.5. Rolls-Royce today up 2.5%. Great. I'm at 31% now. Boeing 1.73. Apple is up 0.51. Ethereum is firing at 2% up. Look at that. And so is Bitcoin up 1.51 today. Bank stocks are really good. From Caden Youngquist. I bought BBIG at 8. Had to average down. Nice one. Okay, we're watching it now very, very closely. It's not good to put all your eggs in one basket. You should never ever do that, and that's kind of what I've done. Alright, so what I'll be doing is I'll be trimming off the top. If Virgin Galactic pops back up above, if it hits 12, I will trim off the top. No question. Right, we've got some buying coming in now to a small candle, but we've got some people now buying back in. I bought some contracts, very conservative. Thank you very much indeed. Let me put that on the screen. Space will recover by at least 9:30. Yeah, I mean, I believe in it. I totally do. It's why I'm in it. Right. It's moving. We're getting some buying coming in now. Reasonable candles. I asked you, will Virgin Galactic pop up today? And 62% say yes. Let me end the poll right now. Right, here we go. Come on. All right. We're down on the hour, but we're starting to move up. Space calls might start coming in now. All right, Caden Youngquist, he's bringing some useful news. He told me yesterday about Rivian, and it dropped in the live chat, and I bought in, and I did make some money on it. So thank you for Caden for that. Let's see if he's right today. He's predicting should bounce back. I believe it will. It's why I bought it. Obviously, you know, I would have liked to have gone lower, but nevertheless, if you've just joined in, subscribe and ring the bell. There we go, and give us a great big thumbs up. We appreciate that very much indeed. Right. It's a big day. We've got a good number watching today. This is good for Thursday. Don't forget, tomorrow, folks, live on the show is the cash giveaway. I might need you all to donate to me before I can give some money away. All right. Okay, here we go. Everybody's watching. Everybody's waiting. This is be absolutely clear and transparent, guys. Smash the space button. Remember, guys, this is my life savings, right? Everything you see here is real. This is my money. I'm an entertainer. I don't have a pension. This is my pension. This money in my portfolio is my life savings. This is it. Okay? I've got no mortgage. I've got no car loan, so I can live minimally. But this is my money. Rivian is now popping back up again. SPCE, it's showing some signs. I wonder what the volume is like right now. Let's go over to it and have a look on the app, and it'll tell me. Let's have a look. It tells me some good information here. If I scroll up, and the volume today is 12.94. The average is 13 million. A lot of volume today. A lot of trading on Virgin Galactic. Sadly, the most of it has been selling out. But hopefully, we're going to get as much buying back in again. There we go. There is the volume, as you can see. Starting to lift back up again. Where is it going to go? I'll show you. Look, there it is. It's just starting to move back up again. Where's it going to go? It's my life savings too much. I'm not making fun. It's not fun losing. No, I get it. I'm right with you, Mike. This is what this channel's about. We support each other. We help each other all the time. Right. 1.27. Okay. Where's it going to go? Everything is falling again. Virgin Galactic's perhaps bottoming. Keep in mind, some companies and retailers own it for $50 plus. Yes, they do. That's right, they do. It reached 70. Remember that? Yeah, of course. There's like no bids on SPCE. There's no bids on SP. I think that's what you're saying. If we go to level 2, this is level 2 data, folks. I'll share with you now. This is level 2 data on SPCE, and there are some bids. You can see here. These are all the bids here. This is level 2 data. See? There are bids. 6,000 there. Was it 37,000 at 10? There you go. 37,000 at 10. 37,000 shares at $10. So there you go. There isn't really much. Yeah, people are putting orders to sell, of course. That's just like me. I'll be doing the same thing. But, yeah, there is some bids in there. That's level 2 market data for those of you that are interested in that. On the day, I'm down nearly 4%. Virgin Galactic still falling. Alright, if you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell and smash the like button. There we go. We're in for a big, big day today, one way or another. Okay, still falling. Let's have a look at all the markets right now. Bitcoin just dropping back again. I'm glad I took some off the top. That was the right thing to do. That was the right thing to do. Apple is now moving up. BA is moving up. Rolls-Royce will just trade sideways now. On is having a good day. Immersion is good. PayPal is good. Palatine just dropping down slightly. Hood is down again. Lucid is now moving up. GGPI is down. SPCE is down 15% today. 15%. You heard me right. Tesla is down as well, 0.5%. Oh, yeah. Okay, this is not the worst I've been by any stretch. Look at 1025 calls on space. I think Caden's right. When it hits 10, I think it will bounce up from there. But it's annoying that it has to go that low down before it pops back up again. But that looks like what it's going to do. That's a good base price for it to lift off on, yes. Let's see if it does. Of course, no one's interested in investing in it because it's just declared it needs to raise money, and also it's got the flights. Oh, the SPC James Dowling has just come in. He's unhappy as well. Ford up 1.3, tickling 25 a share. If it hits 25.01, I am trimming some. There we go. Always trim and take profits. Martin Redding is spot on with that. James Dowling is concerned as well. James, I'm right with you, my friend. It's my. It's mine as well. I'm right with you. It's the biggest part. It's virtually half of my portfolio now. I know it says 21%, but I've reset that a couple of times, so it's not actually. It's actually much worse than that. I've been behind Richard Branson and Virgin Galactic since the off, and I still am. I just didn't know they were going to suddenly raise money. I guess it's normal. Muzanella said it's normal. Caden Youngquist is doing the same thing. Taking some money off the top. Always do that. And that's what I'll do with Virgin Galactic. I won't sit here and go, well, this is brilliant. I've got shares at $10 a share, or $11.25. If I get to 12, I'll sell those. I've never been so. I'm not nervous. That's not what I am at all. Not worried at all. I'm just frustrated. I'm just frustrated at the moment. That's all I am. But just starting to see some glimmer of hope here in the last hour. Tesla's lifting back up again. Rivian is dropping that back. Virgin Galactic is just hovering around this 10.57. I feel your pain, mate. Yeah, James Dowling's right there with me. It's frustrating. I'm not fearful. I'm not stressed. I'm just frustrated right now. I want to see people understand what Virgin Galactic is and understand where it's going. But right now, no one believes me. Obviously, because everyone's selling out. If everyone felt the same way as I did, they'd be buying in, but they're not. Ford, let me check the volume now. Let's see if the volume is still with Virgin. This is the level 2 market data right now. All right, remember the market makers manipulate this, so please don't use this as a total guide. It's not. You can see the bids and the asks. The bids on the left are what people are prepared to buy. These are limit orders they've set in mind. I believe like you, but I'm very frustrated. Yeah, James is right with me. If we look at it's 50-50 right now. People are buying and selling at the same sort of rate. It's not a big buy-in until we get down to $10. Look, if I scroll down to $10, for some reason, look at that, 35,000 at 10. 35,000 at 10. Yet lots more bids than there are asks. Okay, people want to buy in when it hits 10. Look at that, 35,000 shares there at $10. See that? 35,000 shares. Someone has placed an order at $10. And they could revise that at any minute. If they start to see it move, they could revise that and go, okay, I'll go 10.50. And boom. Nice rise on Ford this morning. Martin Reed growth. Martin Reed going to bank profits. Going to bank the profits. Good for you. Good for you, Julia. I like that. Congratulations. See, look, 6,500 at 10. 6,592 at 10.05. So that we have some sales as well. Yeah, this is level 2 market data. It's interesting, but doesn't show you the full picture because careful with space today, Martin. Yeah, you just missed what happened. I bought it at 11.25, bought 170 shares of it. So I am all in now. I'm literally all in. It's gone past the point of being careful. I'm all in, and I will sell it. Of course I will when it pops up, if it pops up. And I'm saying if, because right now people are selling out all left, right, and centre. I've got 11.25 SPC, 170 shares. I'd sell at 12. I've now got 920 shares of Virgin Galactic. I've been saying that it's $92,000 that's worth in my book. If it's worth $100 a share, which I think it is in my book, once it takes off again, that's $92,000. That's what I believe it's worth. So that would double my portfolio on this one stock if it did that. What are we seeing right now? I'm all in. This is my actual portfolio, $45,000. What's everybody feeling? Oh, by the way, you didn't answer my question. Can you see on my backdrop now? I've got some nice blue lighting on the backdrop. Does that look nice? Does that look good? Do you like that? It's a new thing. I was able to do that now. Tesla's popping up, and Rivian is holding at 83.95. I got in yesterday at 83.92. Virgin Galactic is just holding there at 10.58. Look out for IPO on TBG today. TBG. Let's look at it. Am I too late to get into Ford? Ahmed. How are you, Ahmed? Good morning. If you're new to the channel, start by introducing yourself, saying where you're from. I'm from Cornwall in the United Kingdom. And my studio is based here in Texas. Get to know the team. And then, of course, the team will all support you. So introduce yourself. Full disclosure, I'm not a financial advisor. Here's my TV studio. I'm live here today with you, watching all my stocks. This is my real trades, my real money. And it's a big day for me today on SPCE. Is it going to suddenly start to pop? Okay, the bids are coming in. I'm from Egypt. Thanks for asking. Yes, indeed. I live in Arizona. Well, welcome to you. Would everybody please welcome Ahmed into the show? He's from Egypt, now in Arizona. Looks cool. Thanks, mate. Right, there is some bids coming in now to Virgin Galactic. People have said, okay, enough's enough. We are seeing some buying in, not a lot, but we're starting to see something come in. And Ahmed, if you, Martin Redding will tell you, Martin Redding and Julius Caesar, they are big fans of Ford. They will tell you. Have a conversation with those in the live chat. If you want more information and you want to be part of our main show and you want to be part of Discord and all those wonderful things, here it is under the All Links button. I've just posted that in the chat. And if you subscribe, and we hope you subscribe to the channel. We're quite new, coming up to 6 months old now. Here is the invitation to join. If you'd like perks and benefits, tomorrow we have a cash giveaway on the show for all the members. We literally give money away live in the show. We literally do that. It won't be much now, though, because I've lost all my money on Virgin Galactic. But tomorrow we will do a cash giveaway. You need to be a member. There's the invitation to join if you're interested. This is our real money, our real portfolio. And we're watching all the stocks. These are all my stocks. Rivian is now falling again. Virgin Galactic is down nearly 15% today. Gores Guggenheim is popping up. Ahmed, buy Ford on the dips. There you go. Julius Caesar, one of our family members. A friend of the family means she's here nearly every day. She's not a member. The members have their badges after their name, but she is a friend of the family. She is here nearly every day, and we appreciate, and she offers great advice and tips. Just mentioned the IPO for you to look out for. On is now popping up. Robin, Rolls-Royce is doing well. Boeing is having a great day, up 3% now. Apple is doing well as well, up 0.19. Ethereum is doing well today, up 1.25. My Bitcoin position is up 1% as well today, just under 1%. Right, overall on the hour, I'm still falling, and that is SPCE is going down again. Hi, Ahmed. There we go. All the family are saying hello to you. Right, guys, I'm just going to go and take a very, very quick restroom break. Don't go away. I'll be right back. I'm going to go and grab my jacket as well. It's a bit cold in the studio today. So don't go away. Talk amongst yourselves. I will be back in a moment. And we're keeping our eye down and our head down this morning. Of course, we've got the day trader of the day. Guess who's not going to win today? I'll see you back in just a minute from now. Don't go away. Keep in the chat. Let everybody know that I'm just going to the restroom. All right. Okay, we're back in the hot seat again now. I see while I've been away that Virgin Galactic is just trading sideways. That's good news. That's good news. If you've just joined me, click subscribe and ring the bell. And give us a thumbs up as well. Thank you ever so much, Julius Caesar and Patty, for welcoming woohoo new subscriber. Did we get a new subscriber? I missed it. Did someone just subscribe? Did I miss that? Looks like I just missed it. I was away, and I wanted some good news as well. That would have been nice to have seen that. All right, congratulations, Ahmed. Wonderful stuff. Did Ahmed become a subscriber to the channel? Hope he did. I didn't actually see it, so that's very nice, Ahmed. Thank you ever so much indeed. What you are seeing here, just so you know, full disclosure, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a regular guy. And in fact, I'm the world piano man. That's actually who I am. I'm a musician. This is my TV studio behind me. This is where I do live concerts in the evening. And this is my life savings, what you're seeing here. And in the chat, you've got real traders. We're not influencing the market. These are real people, real traders investing their own real money live on the show. Everything you see here is real and live. We're a family who come together every day, who support each other, help each other, offer tips. We run a live stream 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We're always on air, and members only can go into live chats where everyone can actually support each other and help each other out. It's a really lovely community, and we really appreciate you being here. And we invite you to become a member. And for a very small amount of money, you can become a bronze member. You'll see certain members here who have badges after their name. They are members to the channel. And what that actually means is they get all kinds of perks and benefits for being a member. They get pre-IPOs on my NFTs. They get a concert if it's their birthday, like a 20-minute concert in the evening. You know, when they want to have a party, I do a live concert. People pay $500 and upwards to hire me to do online concerts. You get it as part of your membership, which is nice. And also you get exclusive video content. You can get one-on-one Zoom calls to help you build a YouTube channel or set up a studio. Lots of benefit. So there you go. Lots of things you can get as a member if you decide to become a member. We hope you do. All right. Dave Mottram, welcome back. Mike, Paul, what happened to space? During the night, we had a Virgin Galactic raised money with convertible notes, and for a better explanation of that, Muzanella will drop that in the chat. But yes, I am seeing new price target of $9. Oh, they've lowered expectations. I certainly hope not. I didn't see that. Where are you seeing that? I don't think that's right. I mean, as soon as they fly, the market will go up again. I know it will. So, but I don't know. Can anyone tell me? Because a few of you said, "Woohoo, new subscriber." When that happened, did you see new subscriber across the screen? I guess you must have done. That's the only way you'd know, right? Because I never saw that. Let me just test that. It's still working. That's me subscribing to my own. You did, yes. Oh, you did. Okay. Right, we're starting to lift up now. Welcome from Italy, Ahmed. Thank you, Ahmed, for being here. If you are from the... Did you say you're from the US? Because if you are, a lot of brokerages give me money to promote their brokerages. And what I do, I share it with you. I give it back to you. It makes me a bit mad, but it's what I do. I like to support and help people. So if you're from the US, I think you're from Arizona, I've got a few things for you that you can actually get some free stock with. And it's all on the all links button. There are loads and loads of things, free stocks from loads of people. Hey, hey, good morning all. Look who's here. Look who's here. Come on, guys. Let's see if you all do it before I say it. You all know what to do? Catchphrases, please. Smash the likes here. Here he is, everybody. Robert Durant is in the house. Nice one. Right, we're just starting to lift up a little bit now. Rivian is now falling. Slicky. Virgin Galactic is just trying to push up. What markets reversing at the moment? Yes, they are. Julius Caesar's noticed that we're losing everything, but Virgin Galactic is holding. Despite all of this, it's holding. Come on, Virgin Galactic. Just let me make a trade on this one. Oh, yes, it said Ahmed. Okay, I missed it. But I'm glad. I was obviously away at the time, so I missed it. But I'm glad it popped up. Good. So I invite if anyone here is not yet a member, of course, tomorrow is the cash giveaway. We'll give away cash. I'm going to do it. I said I would do it. I'm not Robinhood. I don't take away things. I add things all the time. Despite I'm having a hard time, as long as my channel is running, Fridays is my cash giveaway. It might just be $1. But it's going to be a cash giveaway. I don't believe when you add services you ever take them away. Oh, look at this. This is good news for this is good news for Virgin Galactic. Look on the level 2 data. Look, the bids are coming in now. People are getting tired of it, buying in. Look at that. The bids are up. The bids are up now. More people are coming in to buy with Virgin Galactic. So I stood my ground. I believed in it. I'm still believing it. Flipping heck, listen, how can I not believe it, right? How can I not believe it? They are building the spaceport for Virgin Galactic just up the road from my house in England. Seriously. How can I not believe in it? Right. Do chat. Well, at least as a company, SPCE is in a much stronger position now. It's bad news short term, but good news overall long term. It will keep the company going for quite a while without any cash raises. There you go. Do chat has explained it perfectly. Abso-flippin-lutely. Virgin Galactic is going to be, and I'm standing by it, the biggest part of my portfolio by a long chalk. I'm in it. I believe in it. I'm not selling out. But I will trade as we rise up. I have to do that. Obviously, I have to do that. Anyway. Obviously, I've got to do that. We're watching this morning... Robert Durant, smash the like. Robert is in the house. Yep, there's more bids coming in now for Virgin Galactic. My overall position now, though, is not the lowest it's been, I have to say. Tesla, Rivian. I've got no selling positions right now at the moment. Lucid is down 2% today. Hood is down. Rolls-Royce, good. Boeing, up, yeah, all good there. So there's nothing really for me. I'm glad I took some money off the top of the table on Bitcoin. That was the right thing to do. I've got no money to trade anywhere to put in my buying power. I'm completely paralyzed now. I'm sitting here waiting. There's nothing I can do at all at this moment in time. Let's have a look. Let's see if we can find some breaking news here on the main portfolio. Let's keep our eye on SPC in a minute for a push up. All right, here we go. I've got some news here. What happened with Virgin Galactic? More information, so let me post it in here. Here it is. This is the information that we've got now. All right. Let me keep an eye on the space chart. Right, we're just starting to bottom. We're starting to see some buying coming in now. Virgin Galactic stock falls as space tourism company plans to raise up to 500 million in debt. Okay. Shares of Virgin Galactic fell in trading on Thursday after the company announced plans to raise up to 500 million in debt. The company intends to raise 425 million from the sale of 2027 convertible senior notes through a private offering, with an additional 75 million option also expected to be granted to buyers. Delays have pushed Virgin Galactic's beginning of commercial service to late this year at the earliest. Here we go. That's what's happened. Shares of Virgin Galactic fell. The company intends to use the net profits from the offering to fund working capital, general and administrative matters and capital expenditures to accelerate the development of its spacecraft fleet, Virgin Galactic said in a press release. The company intends to raise 425 million from the sale of 2027 convertible senior notes through a private offering, with an additional 75 million option also expected to be granted to buyers. Virgin Galactic stocks fell as much as 12% in pre-market trading from its previous close at 12.37. Sir Richard Branson's Virgin Galactic went public with a merger with a special purpose acquisition, which is a SPAC, of course, or SPAC from Charmouth in October 2019. Okay. That's basically what's happened. Now, that is good. They've raised money for capital expenditure to put into the business. That is good. So, I'm holding my position and just waiting it out. Virgin Galactic barcoding probably running out of seller. What does that mean? Virgin Galactic barcoding probably running out of sellers. What does that mean? There are no more sellers, which would indicate the bottom. Is that what you're telling me? I've not heard that term before. Let's learn from that. Julius Caesar has just said Virgin Galactic barcoding probably running out of sellers. Now, one thing I offer to the members is you can call in. You can call in via video call. If you'd like to explain what's happening this morning with Virgin Galactic, you can call in on a video call and tell us what you think. You can call in on a phone, or you can call in on your computer. As long as you've got a microphone and a camera, you can call in. Very, very easy. If you'd like to be part of the show, I would love that. I'd love that. So if you are wishing to be part of that and call in, I would love to hear your opinions on what's happened this morning. If you are, just let me know, and I'll give you the link so you can jump right in on the show. All right, let's go to the day trader of the day right now. Go to your main portfolio on the day and tell me where you are. Well, we all know it's not going to be me. Don't post until I bring up the timer. Down 50,000k, Murray McKine said. Yeah, right. Talking to Murray, 50,000 Murray's here. Everybody? $50,000 Murray is in the house. Hello, family. There he is. Murray McKine. He's a member of the channel. Let's bring up all the members right now. Here we go. Starting off with our bronze members. 50,000 Murray's in the house. Am I going to be at 50,000 today? Not a bloody chance. Not a bloody chance. But here's all our members. Murray McKine is one of our new members. And that's why he's got a green badge. The badge will turn a fancy colour once you complete your first month. SPCE. So barcoding. I'm waiting to hear back from Julius Caesar. What does she mean by barcoding? What's the big fallers today? The big fallers today is Virgin Galactic, down 15% today. Huge, huge shop. They've raised some 500 million for debt, for capital investment for the future. So it's a good thing for their future, but the short-term stock price has tanked. Murray McKine, there he is with the Scottish flag on the screen right now. There he is. Okay, so are you ready to put your scores in? I am down. When I put the clock on the screen, you can do it. Down 3.85%. Okay. Just a huge drop. Yes, it is absolutely massive. Okay. So, are you ready? I'm going to bring up the timer now. 1 minute on the clock. Put your scores up on the screen. There's my score, down 3.85%. Down 3.45. Mark Corn is up 2.88. He's killing it. Up around 4%. Commodities are doing well today. Nice one. Duchak. Up 1.7. There we go. Right, let's see who the day trader of the day is. Robert Durant is up 0.17. But no question, Mark Corn, Murray McKines is with me at down 3.45. But Mark Corn up 2.88. That looks like our winner for the day. Let's give him a big first of all, thank you very much for thank you for your honest trades, and of course a big thumbs up to Murray as well for that. And also, of course, let's give him a big round of applause. Here we go. Nice one. There we go. Awesome. Congratulations, Mark Corn today. That's a great result. My overall portfolio now, if we look at it, is obviously down. Not the most I've been down. I've been down as low as 2,500, but we're down just under 1,000 now. So it's not good, not good at all. Nothing to sell right now. Virgin Galactic, we're waiting. Let's go and look at the level 2 data for Virgin Galactic as well. Let's see what is going on with the level 2 data. Are the buyers coming in? Julius Caesar didn't come back to me about the barcoding. I'm very interested to know what that actually means. This was the comment here. Virgin Galactic barcoding probably running out of sellers. And that's good. That means people aren't selling out. People are going to start buying in. That doesn't mean to say they're not buying in, but the buyers might wait, of course. They don't want their money tied up. I get that. 3 days in a row, I feel bad. You shouldn't. Queen of Self-Braiding, up around 4%. Duchak, commodity are doing well today. The Queen of Self-Braiding would have won, but you are just behind. 5.21. You need to drag your screen, your timeline, and bring yourself up to date. You are just behind. Rivian is down 3.4 and Space down 50%, destroying me. Yes, same as me. Awful. But Murray, we are for the future. This is investing is about the future, right? And we all believe that Virgin Galactic is going to be phenomenal in the future. Later on this year, it's going to happen. So the only thing is, of course, if your money is tied up in something like this, you can't trade or invest in anything else. That's why people aren't buying in, because there's no good news yet, but it will come. As soon as they get the news out, it'll be good. I'll give it to Queen today. She wins. That's a great score. 5.21. Mark Corn conceded his win. All right. Thank you very much. And give her a thumbs up. Let's give her a big round of applause. There we go. There we go. Mary McKines, keep your fingers crossed. Yeah, we've all got our fingers crossed, mate. You're dead right there. So it is what it is. You're either in it or you're not. You either believe in it or you don't. Over there on TikTok, thank you to all my followers. You're absolutely amazing to me. We've got just over 10,000 followers now. Nearly 10,500. Really, really great. Thank you to all of you. If you want to be part of the main show, though, if you click on the link in the profile, just the profile at the top, you'll find my YouTube link. Come on in and you can be part of the main show. And you can talk to all our traders live here on YouTube. And you'll get a better experience too. Rivian is just trading sideways. Virgin Galactic just sideways now. Not a lot going on. Gores Guggenheim is dropping down further. Lucid Group is dropping down further. Buy the dips. Yeah. All these dips today. Look at it. All across the board. And this was the breaking news we brought you this morning. Virgin Galactic stocks falls as space tourism company plans to raise up to 500 million in debt. There it is. It's been a tough morning this morning. We're all struggling. We're all holding on. This is now very tense on the show. It's very tense for me. I'm having a hard time with space right now. There's not a great deal I can do about it, but I believe in it. I'm holding it. We are where we are. So let's just keep on going. Let's get back into the trades right now. Virgin Galactic is just down 14.83. We report in the after hours, February the 24th is its earnings reports day. Murray McKine says, buy the dips. Indeed, indeed, indeed. Let me bring in the rest of the members. We've got the gold members, of course. If you've just joined and you'd like to be part of the day trader, and receive lots of exclusive benefits, here is the invitation to join. We hope that you'll be interested in joining. Of course, tomorrow is, as promised, every Friday in the opening bell is the cash giveaway. We have a cash giveaway every Friday in the opening bell, live on my show. I give back to all of you. So that's coming up tomorrow. This time tomorrow, live in the show. And of course, that'll be the last show then until Tuesday, because of course the markets are closed at the weekend, and Monday we won't be here, because Monday, of course, we are with Martin Luther King Day, so there'll be no trading at all. So the markets will be closed. Right, the live position was still down 2.232%. My Bitcoin position is now falling again. I trimmed off the top here. Always do that. Very, very important. So I made some money from Bitcoin, and I put it into SPCE to buy the dips. That's what you do. What's the world markets doing today? The world markets, Murray, thanks for asking. Very good point. Very, very good. Here is the world markets. Let's have a look. I'd like you to remember that, Murray. I appreciate that a lot. Okay, here we go. Here's the world market. Starting in New Zealand, they're up 0.18. Australia is up 0.48. The Nikkei was down 1.55. Hong Kong was up 0.11. The DAX was down 1.4. The FTSE was up 0.03, and the S&P 500 was is down as well. Now look, we're down on the S&P 500 and the New York Stock Exchange. There you go. Thank you very much for asking. Appreciate it. Just to share with all of you, this is what's happening tomorrow. We've got 22 members in the raffle now. So let me share with you. We'll have a little run through so you can see what's going to happen tomorrow. Here it is. This is tomorrow live in the show. You'll look out for your name. You'll all see your name on there. All right. There you go. See it coming up. This is tomorrow live on the show. Should we have a little test ride? Let's see who wins. It's always a bit of fun to do it on the day before as well. All right. Here's all our members who are in the draw. 22 members now to the day trader. And all of you will be in the draw for tomorrow. Shall we have a little raffle? I'll ask you. See what you say. Shall we have a test raffle? Yes or no? There you go. Ask the community. That's you. You're the community. This is what it says. Spin it. Shall... Oh, there it is. There it is. Let's see what you say to that. Spin it. What's the world? Yeah. Go on. Shall I do it? All right. All right. I'll do it. We'll have a test raffle. See what you think. Back. Just trimmed 10 shares of Ford. Adjusted my limit. Buy back 150 shares. 20 to 22 in case of a pullback. But I'm now down to 300 shares of Ford. Wow. Wow. You're fully in with Ford now. Good for you, mate. Congratulations for that conviction of knowing where you're going. I like it. It's pretty good. We're going to do a test raffle. We're going to if I get a vote. How many votes have we got? 6 votes says yes. You like that raffle, don't you? That's tomorrow live in the show. Virgin Galactic trading sideways right now. Okay, we'll do a test raffle, shall we? Here we go. And the winner is... Martin Redding. Martin Redding wins $1 million. And in second place, we have... Dr. Nathan Smith. He's not in the house, so he wouldn't have won. I like doing that. That's fun. All right. So that's coming up tomorrow. Not today. Tomorrow morning, live in the show, we'll be doing the cash giveaway as we do every Friday. I promised I would do it, and the promise is a promise. That's how we do things here. So there you go. Should be a lot of fun. That's coming up tomorrow. And if you want to be in that, you have to be a member. And here's the invitation if you wish to join for tomorrow's show. All right. Just got back in time. We'll make it to Bitcoin. We'll take it to Bitcoin. LOL. We'll make it. We'll fake it. I don't know what that yake. What does yake mean? Make it, take it, fake it. I don't know. But that's for tomorrow. It's not today. We were doing a test. All right. We asked if you wanted to do the raffle, and 88% said yes. So we just did a test raffle. Okay. It's the Friday giveaway. We're down today on Tesla. Rivian, we're down nearly 4% today. SPCE trading sideways. If we look at the space chart now, it's 50-50. There's hardly any buying coming, any selling coming in at all now. A bit of buying, not much. But people are waiting. That's all that is right now. People are waiting, and they don't want their money tied up. That's the only reason to sell out now, to use your money elsewhere. But there it is. Hood is down nearly 5% today. Palantir is down 1% today. Take winnings of $1 million in Bitcoin. $1 million today, the prize money. PayPal is down. Immersion is slightly up. On is slightly down. Rolls-Royce trading sideways. Boeing has had a great day, up 3%, just knocking back now. And right on the button is Apple. Right, there's a wash right now. Ethereum and Bitcoin dropped down, coming back up a bit. I know it was a test. You're okay. Good. Thank God for that. You knew it was a test. All right. These are our members. And who have we got? We've got Mark Korn in the house today. We said, I want to get Mark Korn to 1,000 subscribers. He's a silver member, so he gets his name on my channel. So here he is. Let's promote Mark Korn right now. Mark Korn has 969 subscribers, and I said we'd get Mark to 1,000 subscribers within 7 days. We've done pretty well. There is the link. If you could subscribe to Mark Korn's YouTube channel, and we're trying to get him up to 1,000 subscribers. That's what we're trying to do. Okay? And I'm hoping we'll do that. Hairy Bold Hulk isn't in the house. If he was, I would share his YouTube channel, but he's not here today. So we'll wait for him to come in to do that. Let's see if we get some more subscribers for Mark Korn. He's a fan of the show. He supports the show. And in return, we want to help him get more subscribers. Tesla's just dropping back now. Rivian dropping back more. SPCE just going sideways. This is good news, because while the markets are dropping, Virgin Galactic is staying the same. Mark Korn, I have just subscribed. Yay! He had 969. Let's have a look. Has he got 970 now? 970. There you go. He's up to 970. 30 to go. And we're going to get Mark to 1,000 subscribers. Wonderful stuff. Happy to help anyone. Awesome. Great. Tesla is still falling. Rivian is still falling. Oh my God. It's hard to hold on when it's like this. I'll tell you now, it is hard to hold on when it's like this. It feels uncomfortable. I don't like it. I know it's going to be great, but I just have to wait. Continue. The rhymes, Marty. What do you mean, the rhyme? What's the rhymes? Right, very, very quickly. You can skip the ad. We've got to just run an ad. So here it comes. Be back in 10 seconds from now. There we go. Thank you for all the likes, by the way. If you've just joined, subscribe and ring the bell. Hon doing well, just plugging away, up 20% in 30 days. Congratulations to you, my friend. Awesome. What a great result that is. Rivian is just consolidating now, it looks like. SPCE trading sideways. So I think we've hit the bottom. I think we've hit the bottom on Virgin Galactic. That's what I think. Because the news, this couldn't drive the stock lower. This is perfect. So now we now have a bottom to work from. I hope so. Moozner says yes, I hope so. Honor doing well. Already subscribed. Paddy, there we go. Our friend here, Mark Cornaday, has just got. I'm in it now to go up. Okay. Moozler is now in 970, and there we go. Fantastic. We all subscribe to his channel. Wicked. I love it. Let's get into it. We've only got 30 to go. We'll get into 1,000. That's what I want to do. Tesla is still falling. Rivian is still falling. But SPC is holding. I'm in it now to go up. Moose, what did you buy? How many stocks did you buy? Thank you for all my friends over there on TikTok. Thank you ever so much indeed. You're amazing. We've got over nearly 10,500 followers now. And one of my videos has done over 250,000. So thanks for following me every day on TikTok. If you want to be part of the main trading show, though, and talk to my real traders, the serious traders are in YouTube. The link's in the profile. Click the profile link, and you'll find the icon for YouTube. I'm in it now. How many did you buy, Moose? GGPI is pulling up slightly. Lucid is now pulling up slightly. Space calls. 60 contracts. Wow. 60 contracts. And for those of you who don't know what that is, that's 6,000 shares. 6,000. Wow. Thank you, Muzanella. That's what we need. 60 contracts. I've got 920. He's got 6,000. 6 times as much as me. So, Moose, you could make some serious... 6,000, yeah. 6,000 shares. Bloody hell. Everything's still falling, but Virgin Galactic is holding, though. That's what I'm seeing. It's holding now. I'm down more than you. Oh, yeah. It's just one of those days we have to hold on. There's not much we can do. I wonder if we'll get some breaking news for today. I don't know. I think it's going to be slow coming. Lucid is still falling. That's $60,000. Oh my God. Murray McKines. That's what I'm saying. We have some very small traders in this platform, and we have some very big traders. That's serious investing. That's serious investing on any level. Moose will go, I'm not one of the, I'm not a big trader. I'll go, well, you are by my book. You are by my book. Big time. Like, big time. What does GL stands for? Yeah, Murray McKines is loving it. Yeah, it's serious. We're not messing around here. What does GL stand for? I'm glad I did the right thing this morning. Absolutely right. I trimmed off the top with Bitcoin. I made myself a profit. And what I did then, I bought SPCE, and I know it's the right thing to do. I know it's the right thing to do. I wish I'd bought at 10.52, of course. Yeah, absolutely. But, you know, oh, good luck. Good luck. Yes. There we go. Well, it's tough right now. Just have to hold on and wait. There's not a lot. Today is literally a waiting game. There's not much to say about anything. We just have to wait and see. Now, I think what we're going to do now is I'm going to end... Well, normally I would end the show, right? Normally I would end the show. But I'm thinking differently today. I'm thinking differently. I'm thinking, rather than ending the show, keep this running here as a 24-hour stream at the moment. And just in case you didn't know, oh my god, yeah, I know OMG means, yeah. I'm not that flipping out. I'm not that flipping old and out of date. Bloody Dave Mottram. He's funny, isn't he? Right. So I'm going to ask the team. It's gone quite quiet now. I normally end the show around about this time. But with this situation as it is, rather than switch to the 24/7 stream, just keep this one open. That's what I'm thinking. I'm going to end the show, but keep this running on this screen. What does everybody think about that? So I'm going to ask you all, and then we'll just keep it running. So here we go. Shall I keep the stream running? I'm bleeding with my forward puts. Oh my god, yes. Okay, shall I keep the stream running? Rather than end it now, because this is very dramatic news, I'm going to go and have my lunch and have a break. And but what I'm going to do is keep it running. He won't be running all day because I'll have to end it because at 12 o'clock I've got a Zoom call with Restream. They wish to talk to me about sponsoring my channel. So I've got big companies now want to sponsor my channel, which I'm very excited about. So I won't be here all day, but what I mean is, with where we are right now, shall we keep the stream running and leave it on the screen like that? So what I could do is I could change this one to this. I don't, yeah. So you like to change it to that. What do you think? Good luck with the sponsors. Nice one. Yeah, it's good, isn't it? So let's have a look. You said yes. I think you said yes. 5 votes. Yes. So I'll take a break and I'll leave it running on this screen. So if we get any breaking news, rather than go to the 24/7, I'll just leave it on here. And I'll tell you what I'll do. I will add to the screen. See if I can do this. Okay. On a break, back soon. Okay, let's see if I can add this to the screen. On a break, back soon. Let's see if I can move that around. There you go. What about that? On a break, back soon. So I'll keep it running. Yes, please. Add Ford. I want Ford to the ticker. Yeah, I can't do that on air though. I won't be able to do that on air. That's something I have to add into the widget. But I will add Ford. I will add Ford for you into the ticker. But I need to be off air to do that. I can't do that during the show. On a break, back soon. Okay, so that's what we'll do. Everything going red now. Yeah, rather than end the stream, I'm going to do that. I'm going to put that in there. Okay. And what I'll probably do is change this to the other camera. There you go. I'll change to that camera like that, and I'll take a break from there. Virgin Galactic is just falling slightly. We don't want to see that. All right. Okay, guys. I'll take a break. Going down 11%. And still going down. Dave, not Ford. All right. So we're going to leave it on Virgin Galactic because that's the big story of the day. I'll take a short break. I need it to go red. Ugh. Right. I'll take a short break. I'm going to let this run in the background. I might pop in from time to time. You said you're okay with that? Should I keep the stream running? Yeah, 6 votes. Yes. Okay. All right. Obviously, everyone can come in. Everyone can comment. Everyone can do whatever they want to do. And we'll just have it on a break back soon. All right. There we go. Let that continue to run in the background. I'll go and take a short break. All right, guys. I'll see you back in a bit. Peter Maycock has just joined us. Peter Maycock lost 50% on Virgin. I know. I am down big time on Virgin. This is my position. I get it. I'm on a break right now. It is killing me so far. So I'm going to leave you with that, guys. I'll see you back in a bit. You can continue chatting in the live chat. And that's all good. All right. I'll see you all in a bit. Take care. Don't go far away. Hi Sydney, welcome to the show. We're just taking a short break. Virgin Galactic's my live position here, and as you can see in the last few minutes, we've had a big crash in the last couple of hours, 15%, because Virgin Galactic have released new stocks. They've raised money, over 500 million, and it's tanked the stocks. So this is just me now on a break. I just saw you pop in, so I thought I'd pop back and very quickly say hello to you. Dennis Poirier from Canada, welcome. Let's bring him on the chat. We're just taking a short break for the minute. There's his comment there, live on the show. And welcome. We're live here every morning for the opening and closing bell. I'm just taking a short break for the minute. And we're running a poll in the chat. Do you like the music, yes or no? Do you want me to add the music? But we're watching Virgin Galactic this morning. Dennis, it's lovely to have you here. Thank you ever so much indeed. We're just taking a short break. Consider subscribing, ringing the bell. We're live here every morning for the opening and closing bell. I'm just now on a short break. Duchak said yes, but thinking about it, probably not best for most people. Sounds good to me though. All right, we've got a vote running right now. Let's see what you think. Anyway, Dennis, I'll see you back in a short while. Thanks for popping in. This is my live Virgin Galactic position, and it's crashing down. It's nearly 50% of my portfolio right now, even though it only shows 25 or 21 on the screen, because I've repositioned several times. So it's a big day for us today with Virgin Galactic. See you in the back in a bit. Hi guys, so if you've just joined us, we're taking a short break here and we're just running a poll right now saying do you like the music in the background. I've just changed it to piano music. Just running in the background while I'm taking a short break. Would you rather me turn off the music or not? I'd like to know your opinion. We're just running a poll. If we can get everyone to vote on that, then we can decide whether that's a good idea or not. I'll see you back very shortly. Okay, so far you voted to turn off the music, so I've turned it off. Just doing a poll in the live chat. I'll be back very shortly, just taking a short break. Okay, music is off. Put that in the chat, and you tell me. 80% said no. Okay, there you go. Music is turned off. Just taking a short break. I'll see you back in a bit. What about the chip shortage for Ford? That's an interesting conversation coming up with moves on that right now. I'll see you back in a short while. We're taking a break here at the moment.